नमस्कार सभी को। यूजीसी नेट जेआरएफ ज्योग्राफी से रिलेटेड कुछ एमसीक्यूज़ हैं। तो जो हमारा एमसीक्यू है पहला, फिलोसफिकल अप्रोच इन जियोग्राफिकल राइटिंग was first adopted by Carl Ritter, Richard Hudson, Warenius, Immanuel Kant. This approach was first adopted by Immanuel Kant. It is the correct answer. Who edited the book Geography of 20th Century? A.J. Mackinder, Vidal de Blache, T.W. Freeman, Griffith Taylor. So the correct answer is Griffith Taylor. Scholars and the field of contribution. Soccer that is a Carl Soccer. It has culture geography. Elsie King, that is geomorphology. And the Baker is agriculture geography. Carl culture, and the Tefe, that is a transport geography. So the correct answer is A. Scholars and the concept. Chris Taylor, we know that it is central place theory. Lewisian model is law of migration. Translate ecosystem, and the possibilities was given by Favre. So the correct option is B. Tribes and a state. Mikir is mainly found in Meghalaya. Korwa, it is found in Chhattisgarh. Tharu in Uttarakhand. Andaman and Nicobar Island, that is Om. So the correct answer is option B. Next question, which sector of economy is necessary for sustainable economic development? Primary activities are those which are directly dependent on environment, such as agriculture, mining, forestry, etc. are the primary activities. Secondary activities add value to the natural resources, that is raw material, cotton, iron, that is jute making, etc. These are in secondary activity. And the tertiary activities, these include all types of services, that is production and exchange of transport communication activity. Quaternary activities include the hospital building, that is for least necessary for sustainable development, that is quaternary activities, that is hospital, bank, etc. Question number 27, which of the following is considered as non-renewable resources? Here water is renewable resource, animal is renewable resource, coal, this is non-renewable resource. So the answer is C is correct. Who evolved the method of measurement of agricultural efficiencies? S.S. Bhatia evolved the measurement the agriculture efficiency. Which one of the following is an ideal combination for the establishment of heavy industry? Coal, iron and water, coal, electricity market, coal, electricity bank, coal, cotton bank. So coal, iron and water are ideal combination for the establishment of the which one of the following philosophies was advanced by Auguste Comte? That is positivism. The correct answer is positivism. The concept of sequent occupants was advocated by, that is Whittlesey. The correct answer is Whittlesey. Question number 32. Regional planning aims at the balanced development. Question number 33. The concept of counter-magnet is associated with Western Ghat plant, Southeast Resource Region, Rayalaseema plant, National Capital. It is associated with the National Capital Region, so the answer D is correct. Number 34. Their assertion and reason is given. That is assertion A. Radial concept of Libesrum was based on the idea that state is similar to that organisms. That is correct. Then Radial was determinist and was under the influence of Darwin theory of survival of the fittest. This is also correct, but both A and R are correct, but A's explanation, it is not correct explanation of A. So the options are A and R true. So the option B is correct. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. The soil which originate in humid region due to accumulation of large amount of organic matter are known as, that is peat soil. The areas lying to the east of the Western Ghat covering the Karnataka, interior Tamil Nadu, Western Andhra Pradesh and central Maharashtra are known as which region? These are the tropical steppe region. Which state of India is the largest producer of soybean? The largest producer of soybean is Madhya Pradesh. And 38th question, which state of India is largest producer of wheat? That is UP is the largest producer of wheat. 39. Which state of India has the highest productivity of wheat per hectare? That is Punjab has highest productivity of wheat per hectare. Which one of the following places of India was worst affected by tsunami in 2004? That is the Nagapattinam is worst affected in 2004 by tsunami. Which one of the following is a small scale map? That is World Atlas map are the small scale map. In remote sensing, there are 4 different types of resolution characteristics. Identify the correct order in which they are used. Option A, that is radiometric, spatial, spectral, temporal. This is not correct. Spatial, spectral, radiometric and temporal. This is correct. Then the next question is Alfred Weber approach to optimization of spatial process in industrial landscape was toward the search of, that is the least transport cost location was given by Alfred Weber. Question number 44. The major occupation of people in Mediterranean lands. In the major occupation of people in Mediterranean land is growing fruits and grains. Where are Tapovan and Vishnugarh hydroelectric project located? These are mainly located in Uttarakhand state. 46 question, which state in USA grows wheat in spring season? That is North Dakota. Who coined the term geopolitics? Skype man was given by it is not correct. B. Mackinder is not correct, and this Kazilian is the correct answer. Question number 48. The Tribal Welfare Committee 1952 classified Indian tribe into how many categories? That is it is categorized in 4 categories. The Hottentots are these are the yellow skin color people in the Southwest Africa. Source question number 50 and the last, the sources of energy and the places. The geothermal energy is in Manikaran, and the sea wind it is in Khambat, and the waves that is in Vijayam, and the nuclear it is in Kanga. These are the 50 questions. Thank you.